So for this one where it says she looks at herself and sees an image that's upside down, what kind of mirror does that have to be? Concave? Concave. So I'm going to draw a concave mirror. And my pencil lead's getting a little weak. And in order for this to work, I think I screwed it up already. And in order for you to see yourself upside down, do you need to be close to the mirror or far away? Far away. I think I might have already put my mirror in a bad spot.
We'll just pretend it's a long distance.
Well, I'm just going to draw her way the heck over here and see what happens. So here she is. And I'm going to draw her whole body. I need to make a decision here. It says she. Should I draw a skirt or no skirt? I can't do eyelashes. Or should I just leave it?
You could do a ponytail.
Ponytail, okay. There's a ponytail. All right, skirt, whatever. There we go. It's a see-through skirt. Now, what am I doing? Okay, so she looked at herself. With all these, if you just draw two lines of sight, one is you figure out where she would look at the mirror in order to see her eye, and where would she look in the mirror in order to see her feet, then it's pretty easy from there on out. But those are kind of tough. I think of it in terms of a laser. If she has a laser beam eye, where would she aim her lasers so it would hit her in the eye? She's got a laser beam eye and a death wish, or a blindness wish. She wants to shoot her eyes out. Where does she shoot at the mirror?
Middle.
So you just have to, this is the hard part, kind of eyeball it. Wherever she hits this mirror, it needs to be at a right angle. So I'm going to turn this and think about it for a second. I think somewhere, does that look like I'm hitting it square to you? The lengths of these are a little different, so I don't know, somewhere maybe here. At any rate, it's going to be, I'm going to quit scratching up this paper. Somewhere along here is where she's going to have to look in order for this to reflect right back to her eye. If she looked over here, it would definitely reflect off and go downward. If she looked down here, it would definitely reflect off and go upward. So somewhere around there is the place where you get roughly a right angle when the laser hits there. So that's where she'd have to shoot herself in the eye. And I've got her eye way up on the top of her forehead for some reason. There, she's a cyclops in a see-through dress with a mullet or a ponytail, whatever you call it. And the second part is, if she wants to shoot herself with her laser cyclops eye in the foot, where does she aim then? If she aimed down here, would that hit her in the foot? No. So it's got to be somewhere up here to get it to reflect downward. I'm just going to guess it's right around there. I put her so far away, I think that's making it more difficult for me. You may not have these in exactly the same spots, but if you put her a good distance away, if you put her beyond the focal length, remember just when we were drawing those focal lengths of the mirrors, those would be the places where if you put it out in the sun, all the rays would converge on one another. If you have her back here somewhere, this will work. If you have her right in there really close, then she's going to be upright. So you don't have to put her as far away as I did. I just didn't want to put her on top of the words. So I have lines on the words instead. Now, when she looks at this, I've already done everything that's real. These are the real paths of the light. This is the real mirror. That's the real Cyclops girl. And now I'm going to draw the virtual one. What she sees when she looks in the mirror, she sees her one big eye right here. So she thinks, I see my eye. It's right there. And to figure out where it appears to be, just extend her line of sight. And when she is looking for her foot, she looks right here and sees the foot in the mirror right there. It's really over here, and the light's bouncing off the mirror right there, but she sees it coming from this direction, so if you extend that, that's going to be where her foot is. And I'll try to make this about as long as that, and then draw her, oh sorry, no, this should be about as long as that. Because this total distance to her, the image of her foot should be the total distance to her real foot. Her foot's going to be somewhere around here. And she sees her eye somewhere down there. So I'll see if I can draw her upside down. Oh well. That's what she'd see.